Here is how to share your screen on the Discord mobile application, whether you're using an iPhone or Android device. So go ahead, launch your Discord application and log into your specific account. This is useful for sharing websites, games, or other content. Go ahead and open a server and go to its voice channels. Select one of the voice channels available and then select Join Voice, which is in the bottom of the screen highlighted in green color. Now, once you're in the voice channel, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, and here you'll get the option of share your screen, which is below the activities option. Go ahead and select it. Now select Start Now. A pop up will appear indicating that you have started the broadcast. You can go ahead now, show any window or monitor that you want to stream. And in order to end it, you can tap on the Discord icon in the top. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.